Hi guys! I'm very happy to see you here again. I have discovered this brand new speaker which you can currently get with a 30% off discount. Please see the link in my video description. So why not checking it out together? Earfun UBoom X portable Bluetooth speaker. 80 watt superior sound, 30 hours playtime, party mode, power bank and waterproof. So let's look together what is inside. I'm very curious. So let's try connecting. It works. I will play some music now for you. Sounds nice, but not that great as I have expected. I will check out the app. I can see there is an update available in Earfun's firmware. So I will quickly do the update and be right back here. There are plenty of different sound modes within the app. Here on top you can see the standard sound mode with lots of other presets. They all don't sound really good. Here in the middle you can find a custom EQ with 10 filter bands. At the very bottom there are additional Oluv'Sone signature settings. Here you can find different mode options like studio mode, indoor and indoor plus mode, outdoor and outdoor plus mode, Boom XXX, oh my gosh, and even ground zero mode. What is this? I need to give them all a listen and will come back soon with another video. See you